Ooh, we got some ants. What you do with them? See this stuff right here, guys? This is called propolis. If you want to catch a swarm of bees, that right there is like gold. That'll do it right there. It makes the hive smell like a dead owl. If bees in there, this is their medicine. They will come find that, and this will help you catch bees. That stuff right there. If you put some on you to keep you from getting stung too.
Is that like putting a pecan in two sugar?
A pecan, you put a pecan in a swarm trap and a piece of candy.
And you get new beekeepers to believe that shit. And here I am turning into the foul-mouthed beekeeper.
Ain't nothing here, bud.
Well, I figured we'd start a video just in case.
Yeah. You see, these bees are real good because I'm pretty gentle with them.
It's a relative term.
Let me see that. Let me see that flashlight. Let's see if we got life in here. What I'm looking for is make sure we got eggs and larvae, which you can see them here, so we know we have a very active queen in here, and everything's good. The way I work bees, I don't have a lot of time, and if they swarm, they swarm. So if you want to catch bees, put your swarm traps around me. Well, that one didn't have any honey and it got plenty of good bees. Everything looks good. Remember this right here, called propolis. It'll help you catch bees.
I was just hoping we were going to get to see the song and dance. Never have the camera going when Mr. Keith gets stung and does his song and dance.
When you see some bees over here like in a pile, always check them. There could be a queen in it. See how they all piled up together? They're eating that wax or something. I don't know what they're doing.
Might have been a drop of honey or something there.
Yeah.
There's your quick tip inside of a quick tip. Let's go down here and see what we got in this other one.
This last one, I come get some of these hives and it was pouring down raining, and I dropped it. I think they might have left on me.
And how many stings did you take?
A lot.
You told me what, 30?
If you wear glasses and it's raining, look how pretty that is. Ain't nothing in it though. Just some nectar in it.
This is definitely beekeeping on the cheap.
This was a good one here though.
Keith's doing the shake test, see if anything shakes out of it. Don't see a drop anywhere. Uh-oh, here comes the owner of this property. Might be in trouble.
We're gonna leave a little bit of honey in case I want to come back. You got another frame there, big at it?
Got one left.
We need one more.
This used to be canola this year. Of course, they've already cut it.
And you can see, I wore my favorite color again. Skin. Black. They like black. They won't bite you when you got black on. They think you're stupid. No.
I'll try to reference the video where we're working bees without a veil or anything, and he's wearing a black shirt. Hit that like and subscribe. Share that video.